Doc, yung question ni Julie is, Doc, I think we have no choice. My mother is in pain and admitted sa Antipolo na hospital. I am asking what to do. Kailangan ba talaga ng surgery ng mother ko because she is really in pain? I think you already know po, Ma'am Julie, salamat sa tanong. And thank you for sharing with us. You're from Antipolo and your mother is, how old? Her mother is 90 years old, si nanay. A very high risk po. And advice kasi is really do surgery kahit high risk. Kailangan ba talaga ng surgery, Doc? So, goals are important. If your mother is 90 years old, tapos naglalakad pa siya before the accident, then I would say, let's give her quality of life back. Ibalik natin ang paglalakad ng nanay niyo po. And yes, I would say surgery, even in a high-risk patient, is important because if you do not do surgery, hindi makakalakad po yung nanay niyo, then malaking chance, base sa mga patients na nakita ko, pwedeng magka-pulmonya or pneumonia, magka-bed sores, magkakasugat yung likod, puwet niya, no? And maraming mga issues, medical issues na pwedeng mangyari sa isang high-risk na patient. So, I do believe surgery is the only way na makakalakad yung mother niyo knowing na may displaced femur na fracture po, no? And even if she's 90 years old, kailangan talaga ng tinatawag na medical clearance. Every patient is different. And that's why you have to go talk with your family, talk with your doctor, para po masagot yung mga tanong ng pamilya po. And hopefully, you can get your answer because kailangan ng family magkaisa, no? When these things happen, we have to get together para yung nanay nyo na 90 years old, na very high risk, makakalakad ulit.